Hi friends, so in this video I am going to explain the difference between the dist-packages and the site-packages. Okay, so when you install a um, Python module using apt-get install, actually it will go to this path. So if you install a package using sudo pip install or sudo easy install, that will go to this path. So if you clone a Python module from the GitHub, then run setup.py install. In that case, that module will go to this path. So if you install a Python module using pip install with -- user option, in that case, that will go to this user site packages directory. This is the user site packages directory, and all these are global site packages directory. So let me try this. So first I am going to install this request module using sudo apt get install apt install python request. Okay, so actual command is this one apt install python request. Okay, just install it. Okay, installation completed. Now let me go to python console, then do import request. Okay, it's working. So let me check where it's installed. request dot tab file. We can see that it's installed in this path, dist-packages path. Let me quit. Then next I am going to install with the sudo pip install request. Okay. Now go to Python. Then do import request. Then request dot tab file. You can see it's in this path. The earlier one was USR lib Python 2.7 dist package. This is USR local. Okay. Now let me quit. Next I am going to, before that let me uninstall it. Next I am going to install request module using pip install request with -- user option. Pip install request -- user. Now go to Python, then do import request, then request dot tab file. You can see now it's coming from this path. Actually this is the user site packages directory, but the previous one, and that is actually global site package dist packages directory. That is a pip. Then apt, when I used apt, actually it's went to here. So that also a global packages directory. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. So if you have any doubt, please comment. So I'm not going to show this option. You can try that. So when you install a package using setup.py install, actually that will go to this path. So you are already seen this one, and this one. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.